Hi everybody. Alright, previously we have find the gradient using the equation of the line. Alright, so this one is example 2. Okay, let's go through together. Now, so there are some conditions to use the equation to find the gradient as well as the y-intercept. Okay, the condition is basically we have to make y the subject. Okay, y the subject meaning on the left hand side I only have one y. Instead of 2y, I need to make it 1y. So over here, I divide by 2 to both sides of the equation, right? So y equals to 3 over 2 minus 2x. Right, so I try to keep it as two terms so that it's easier to see. Now, so from here, what is the gradient? Remember, the gradient is the coefficient of x. It is not the first term. Alright, the term I can interchange. So gradient is the coefficient of x, which is a negative 2. So my gradient for part A is a negative 2. Right, so my y-intercept is the constant. So my B is 3 over 2 or 1.5. Right, so with this you can go and do try the practice 2. Okay, you can try the practice 2 question. Now I'm going to go through example 3. Now example 3 is the other way around. That means now with the line given to us, we need to find out what is the equation of the line. So now it is the other way. So we have to find what is the gradient, what is the y-intercept, and lastly what is the equation of the line. Okay, so how to find the gradient? Same thing, I have to find 2 points. We'll find 2 points. Now, from the triangle, and then calculate what is my height. So in this case, my height is 0 to 3 is a 3. My base is from 1 to 4 is a 3 also. It's going upwards, so it's positive. So my gradient for part 1, my gradient is 3 over 3, which is a 1. Alright, part 2, for my y-intercept. So y-intercept is over here. It is at negative 1. So my y-intercept is equals to a negative 1. They are not asking for the coordinate. So basically we give the y-intercept as the y value. Right, the y value, negative 1. Okay, so with these two information, I can then form my equation. Alright, the general form of the equation is y equals to mx plus c. What is the c? C is basically the y-intercept. This is my c. Alright, this is my c. That means in short for this, I need to substitute in these two values. What is my m and what is my c? So y equals to 1x, so the 1 no need to write, and then plus c, which is a negative 1. So this will be my equation of the line. Alright.